See that failed to install DSM on your 920 Plus. Just put some RAM in there and you'll be okay. So the problem is that so many sometimes failed installs. Some of the logs get so loaded that it's not the amount of space on the drives, it's actually what's available in memory that gets eaten up. So you don't even have any room for the DSM to operate, which is stored on the eDOM. It's moved to the drives, but when it goes to rebuild, when you do a DSM install, if there's not enough memory, or if you have a few blocks of memory that are bad on the board, throw in some extra memory and it'll fix it. So that's actually a repair that we do, because a lot of people have these. This is a DS920 Plus, runs for the longest time, and gosh, no, you get an error message as in the picture that, failed, possible file corrupted. The file is never corrupted, because you can see even if you download it a few times, it still does the same thing. It gets corrupted because there's no room to work with. So bits of it probably do get corrupted when it's being shifted around inside the NAS. So it's your eDOM needs a lot of room. So it could be anything. Most of the time I fix these just by slapping in some extra memory. This one didn't have a memory stick in it. It just had the base memory. So I think, I don't know what the DS220 is. I think it's, I have to check. It's probably 8 gigs of RAM or something like that. But anyways, if you add more RAM, you should be okay. At least in 75% of the cases. Still counting down, but you can see we're actually getting a good install now on this DSM. So it's still going. So I'll wait till it's done and set up an account. So the customer sent their drives with it, so our customers trust us with their data. So there's even a disclosure I send to them to let them know we don't look at data, we're not allowed to, but if I send them an email and request permission to examine the data, I will need that, or else I can't look at it. Now, if I get it confirmed, I will look at it. If I don't, I'll actually tell them the data's there and everything looks okay. That's all I can say. I can't say anything else. But it's a 920 Plus. It's got a little dusty, but it's gonna get cleaned and everything. This is all pre-testing right now. I'm on the serial port, so that's what you see on the screen. And so far, everything's looking good. So it worked. We're in there. Today's June 8th, so the password is that. But I created an account, so I'm able to log in as my Ray. So it had, I was wrong, it has 4 gigs of onboard RAM. Some of these, I know, not some of these, some models do have more, but anyways, it's got 4 gigs of RAM. I added 8, so it's got 12. It shows 12095. So, and look at that. I mean, you only have 9.3 left. So you know what that's telling me? It was too close to 4 gig before I even started this. So and there's actually has to be a cache file to temporarily dump all of this stuff. So probably they were going over that. So because the difference between this 9 and 12 is too close to 4 gigs, which is the onboard memory. And that's probably what was causing the failed DSM install, as in the picture I was showing you. So just add some more memory and you should be okay. At least that helps with 75% of these, sometimes up to 85% of them. So that's it. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching the video.